Hi everyone, welcome back to Lash Therapy. My name is Maria. If you are new here, please don't forget to hit that bell notification to subscribe to my channel so you do not miss out on any new videos. I have so much exciting news to talk to you guys about and also to show you. I have not been on YouTube for about 4 or 5 months now. It has been driving me insane that I have not been dropping any content for you guys. So today I've had a long day of clients, but I just had to drop this video because I could not wait any longer. I'm in my brand new lash salon, coming from a 200 square foot office to now a 700 square foot salon. I am so excited to show you guys this video that I've made, showing you the renovation process from the beginning till the end. So you get to see what it looks like when I first walked in there and then now what I'm lashing in. So let's just jump right into this video.
Keep pushing you away while I want you to stay. Amazing gold is eyes, but my heart still beats. When I say no, it's yes. I'm putting you to the test. Can you handle me? Do you have the key? Sorry that I've been playing games. Do you really have what it takes? I guess so, I guess so. I guess so, I guess so. I am a queen, I need my king. Are you bad enough to sin? I think so, I think so. I think so, I think so. Okay, let me just be honest with you. I want you, want you, want you. And okay, I've been running circles all the time, but I want you, want you, want you. I think so, I think so. Okay, let me just be honest with you. I want you, want you, want you. And okay, I've been running circles all the time, but I want you, want you, want you. Keep pushing you away while I want you to stay. Amazing gold is eyes, but my heart still beats. When I say no, it's yes. I'm putting you to the test. Can you handle me? Do you have the key? Sorry that I've been playing games. Do you really have what it takes? I guess so, I guess so. I guess so, I guess so. I am a queen, I need my king. Are you bad enough to sin? I think so, I think so. I think so, I think so. Okay, let me just be honest with you. I want you, want you, want you. And okay, I've been running circles all the time, but I want you, want you, want you.
Thank you guys so much for watching this video and just going through the process with me with the renovation. I was so excited to drop this, and before I do go, please don't forget to add yourself to the Facebook support group Lash Therapy. It's not just for lash professionals, it's also for all beauty professionals. It's a great community, they're very supportive, there is no drama, and I will be dropping more videos soon. I will see you guys next time.